Today we're going to show you some of the best fabricating and chip making machines in the business. Machines like metal bending brakes, notchers, angle and sheet metal rolls, power hammers, cold saws, band saws, mills, and more.
We look forward to showing you the latest and greatest machinery Sterling Machinery Exchange and Baileigh Machinery have to offer.
Make sure to ask us about great financing options available so we can make sure to fit all your financial needs. I hope to talk to you soon about some great machinery. You know our motto, Eat, Sleep, Machine. This is the Baileigh BB-7210H hydraulic box and pan brake. What that means is you're going to have all these fingers here. This is the box and pan part. You'd pull these fingers out and you could bend tabs within the fingers, allowing you to get a nice box. Another nice part about these hydraulic box and pan brakes is this style allows you to wrap around. So if you have a bend that's going to be bending a lot inside, this would be a good style for you. If you're looking for more of a standard press brake, you'd see something like this. Has standard press brake dies. Once it bends, you only have a certain amount to come around and go around if you need to. So you see a lot of different sign manufacturers, some refrigerator manufacturers, guys that are making some big stacks around can use this machine. This one's a really nice one, super simple, easy to use. Clamp and unclamp right here on your foot pedal. You've got your bending. You see an automatic bend, you step on it. Right over here, take a look, you'll see the degree marker. We'll hit that again. As soon as it hits that degree limit, it's going to stop and reverse. That way you can get your production every time really easy to find where you need to be. Switch it back to inch. And you can go ahead and use it kind of manually, inch into where you need to be, and you still have your degree indicator here on the side. Also has a back gauge. Right now it's sitting up here against the wall. Just a simple stop. For you, pretty much you hit that stop, you know where you'll be at. You can see a very nice and clean hydraulics here, 220, 3-phase power. Let me show you what these guys do. First we'll unclamp and put our piece in. Usually you'd have your scribe marks or wherever you're going to be bending it to. I'm going to put it in the automatic mode. It's going to allow it to go right here to this degree we have. We're going to clamp and bend. That's getting it right to, looks like 106 degrees or so. Now you can see it's nice and tight in there. Hit unclamp, pull your piece out. Once again, clamp. We'll go ahead and do this in manual mode. You just take a look here on the side, you'll know where you'll be at. You come back down and unclamp again. As you can see, really easy to make a lot of different things on these guys, especially when you take out these fingers and you take into account the different types of boxes and pans. So let's say you had this, if you had this more to 90 or even at the degree it's at, you wanted to go ahead and bend it up and in to close off this side. You'd use a notcher to notch the sides. Check out which one of these fingers fits between the two materials. They're all different sizes. And then you're going to take out the two on the different sides, and you can go ahead and make your bend all the way up and in. Turn it around, you get a nice little pan. If you're looking for this type of machine or any other, full-size hydraulic press brake, lots of different hand brakes. We've got just about every type at Sterling Machinery Exchange. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Love to talk to you about our financing options. and our huge inventory of machinery. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.